to today's lesson. Today we are going to be talking about prefixes.
What's a prefix?
A prefix is something that you add to the beginning of a word that completely changes the meaning. So today we're going to be talking about 4 prefixes: un, in, im, and ill. All 4 of these prefixes mean not. So when you add it to the beginning of a word, it changes the meaning of that word to not. I hope you're ready to learn some English, because by the time we get to the end of this video, you will have learned 24 vocabulary words. Yeah, it's a lot, and I'm really excited. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. So our first prefix is the prefix un. Un. So I'm going to show you how we use this, and I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds. So let's use the word healthy. Healthy. If someone is healthy, it means they're strong, they are not sick. If something is healthy, it means it's good for you. We have healthy food, healthy habits, healthy thoughts. But what happens when we add the prefix un? Unhealthy. Unhealthy. Remember, un means not. So unhealthy means not healthy. Not healthy. So you are not strong. You are sick. This food is unhealthy. It's not good for you. See how it works? The word popular. Popular. If someone or something is popular, it means they are liked by many people. It's popular. They are popular. But when we add the prefix un, we have unpopular. Not popular. They are not well liked. This thing is not liked. It's unpopular. Happy. Happy. If you are happy, it means you feel good and you are satisfied and pleased with how things are going. I'm happy. But if I'm unhappy, I'm not happy. I am not happy about how things are going. I don't feel pleased. I don't feel satisfied. I am not happy. So let's move on to our second prefix, the prefix in. Now remember, in means not, just like un. It means the same thing, but it's different. So let's talk about how to use that. We're going to use the word correct. Correct. If something is correct, it means there are no mistakes. It is right. It is right according to the facts. It's the truth. But when we add the prefix in, it becomes incorrect. Incorrect, not correct. So if it's not correct, it's not right. It's not the truth. There are mistakes. It is incorrect. Dependent, dependent. If you are dependent or you depend on someone or something, it means that you need someone or something in order to be successful. You are not able to do something on your own. You need help. You are dependent. But if you are independent, you are not dependent. You can go out on your own and do whatever you want to do and be successful. You don't need help. You don't need money. You are independent. Considerate. Considerate. If someone is considerate, it means that they care about the feelings and problems of other people. They really care about it. They are considerate. However, if they are inconsiderate, they are not considerate. They don't care about the feelings and problems of others. They are inconsiderate. Guys, we're halfway done. It's time for a coffee break. Okay, let's keep going. Our next prefix is M. M. This prefix works just like the other one, so let's start with the vocabulary. Patient. Patient. If someone is patient, they are a patient person. It means that when bad things happen or things don't happen the way they want them to, or maybe they were planning to do something and then they don't get to do that thing, if they're a patient person, it means that this doesn't upset them. They are very patient and calm, and they'll just wait until things get better. But if they are impatient, this means that when all of these difficult, bad, frustrating things happen, they do get upset. They don't want to wait for things to get better. They don't want to wait for things to start going right. They want it to happen now. They are impatient. Possible. If something is possible, it means that it is able to be done. This is possible. We can do it. But if it's impossible, it cannot be done. It's impossible. We can't do it. Mature. If someone is mature, it means they are fully developed. They act in a mature way. They act like an adult. Or if we're talking about someone younger, you can say they're very mature. It means that they act much older than they are. But if someone is immature, it means they are not mature. They are not fully developed. They act much younger than they are. Or maybe they are young and they haven't become mature. They are immature, not mature. And our last prefix is ill. Ill. So let's learn how to use it. Our first word is legal. Legal. If something is legal, it means it is allowed by law. But if it's illegal, it means it's not allowed by law and you should not do it. It's illegal. Logical. Logical. If something is logical, it means that we've thought it through and it's clear and it makes sense and we have logical thinking. But if it's illogical, it does not make sense at all. You didn't think it through. It's illogical. Legible. Legible. We use this word when we are talking about handwriting. If someone's handwriting is legible, it means it's very clear and easy to read. But if their handwriting is illegible, it means it's not clear and it's very difficult to read. It's illegible. And we're done. You should be proud of yourself. So I hope you took notes. I want you to practice using these words. These are very common words. So practice putting them in sentences and practice speaking them when you're practicing your spoken English. And if you do that and you do it consistently and you keep practicing, these words will be much easier for you to remember when you need them. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, please subscribe to my channel because I will be making many more videos just like this one that will help you learn and improve your English. So I hope to see you next time. Bye.